Tired of late signals and trend whipsaws? This directional modified moving average strategy helps you catch cleaner trend entries and reduce noise, even in choppy markets. This strategy uses two key tools to define trend and entry. Directional Modified Moving Average, DMMA, smooths price and highlights direction. Price action confirmation confirms momentum before entry. Buy rules. 1. Price closes above the DMMA. Trend is bullish. 2. Price pulls back toward the DMMA but doesn't close below it. 3. A fresh bullish candle forms after the pullback. That's your entry. 4. Enter long when price confirms upside continuation. Sell rules. 1. Price closes below the DMMA. Trend is bearish. 2. Price retraces up toward the DMMA but stays below it. 3. A new bearish candle forms after the retracement. That's your entry. 4. Enter short when price confirms downside continuation. Don't chase entries. Wait for a close beyond the DMMA, then pull back. That gives you better timing and less false entry risk. And always place your stop loss just beyond the DMMA. Want smoother trend signals and cleaner setups? Try the Directional Modified Moving Average strategy today. Visit forexmt4indicators.com for your free indicators and templates. And trade with clarity.